Very, very nice, very nice, very nice. Because this time the thing is empty, you know. Talking about the road. This side here, the road potholes is bad here, this side. The other side is nice. Yeah, wow. Favorite fetish shop. Now it's big. Before it used to be the wooden one. Now it's much, much bigger, bigger, bigger. You come here to buy your favorite kind of snacks. Snacks, 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 snacks. Oh. Do. Yuppie. Play. You on the sound. Do not mute the sound. On the sound to hear the thing. They are open. Yes, they are open. They'll close till 5 o'clock. They open in the night time. 5 o'clock, then they go home. Every night. Because there is no air cyclone or low pressure. It's good weather. Gorpy. Play. You stop pressing everything, just press once. Dun, dun, dun. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, play, Papa, play. At least they are on every night to make the place, you know, have people. Otherwise, it'd be like a ghost road. Sabi lang talimbuta, total ba darto? Yeah. That one is so comfy. Ade, 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 ade.